Yo, what's up, fellas? What's up? Apa kabar? Kalian baik-baik saja? Aku juga baik-baik saja. Oke, kali ini gue lagi di jalan nih ya. Gue lagi di jalan, lihat trafficnya lumayan ngaco. Oke, gue ini lagi di jalan. Gue pengen nonton UH game. Kita mau nonton football bersama teman-teman gue. Pertama kali gue nonton football ternyata seru. Jadi hari ini sih bakal seru karena katanya rame banget dan teman-teman gue juga yang ikut banyak banget. Dan gue pengen ngajak kalian temenin gue nikmatin nonton UH. Kalian bisa lihat kayak nonton football tuh kayak gimana sih gitu, kayak seseru apa sih nonton football. Gue sekarang lagi perjalanan ke tempat teman gue dulu karena gue harus nurunin mobil. Gue harus taruh ini mobil di tempat temen gue karena gue pengen minum-minum. Kita kayak tailgate gitu, kayak tailgate tuh kayak gimana ya? Gue sih gak tahu sih sebutannya apa. Cuman kayak persiapan minum-minum bareng anak-anak UH, minum-minum sebelum nonton. Itu disebutnya tailgate. Tapi gue nggak tahu exactly tailgate itu artinya apa. Cuman intinya yang gue tahu itu tailgate itu sebelum nonton kita party dulu. Intinya kayak gitu. Kita minum-minum dulu, kita enjoy dulu, vibe-nya dapetin dulu, kayak bener-bener minum gitu, kayak minum bir lah, alkohol lah, macem-macem. Dan kita lihat seseru apa. Jadi gue mau ke tempat temen gue dulu, drop ini mobil, habis itu kita lanjut lagi. Shoo.
Years later.
Hey, what's up, dude?
Hello.
Dang it. Hey, UH, baby. Let's go.
Hey.
Alright, who's here?
Who's here?
It's only me and you.
Yeah, just me and you, bro.
Ready for both?
Let's go.
Damn, so this is my friend. His name is Jake. He's really cool. Can you imagine you live in this kind of place, dude? This is amazing place,
just living
man.
the life, you know, making the most of
Man,
it.
look at this view, man.
Yeah.
Look
Take
at
a
this
little
view,
tour.
man. Let's house tour.
Hey.
Jake's.
Little living room. Little bit. Check out this view. Houston. Look at it.
Look at this. It's beautiful, man. That is Galleria.
Yeah,
One of the most
like the highest end shopping you can have in Houston.
highest. Yeah.
The best in the world.
Look at this place, man. How long you been live here,
It's a
bro?
little bit of a mess, you know. I'm trying to. You caught me at that time, but
But still good.
welcome to the crib.
Still comfortable.
Yes, sir.
All right, dude. May I borrow your UH again?
Yeah, of course,
I can't find it, man.
I got you.
I was trying to find like the black polo shirt
Yeah.
since like my outfit like white and black, you know.
Is it good?
Yeah, sure. Like before, yeah, of course. All right, I want to be like UH student here, man.
Yeah, I know.
Like, look at this place,
Feel free to
man.
just-
Wake up in the morning with that kind of view. Oh, amazing! You're living your life, man.
Life, man.
So when we gonna leave?
Yeah, okay, so we're gonna leave soon, like in like 10 minutes maybe? Because Danny Jr., he's coming here, he's gonna...
Danny Jr.
Yeah, he's
like
coming.
Danny?
Bomick, our other friend Bomick, you know? Hey.
Oh! I forget, dude. So I was telling like my viewers.
Yeah.
So before we watch the football game, we're gonna do tailgate. Can you explain what is tailgate, dude?
What is tailgate? Oh my god. Alright, tailgate is like basically all your friends pitch up a bunch of tents, drinking, you know, like having a good time, you know. We're just vibing. We're cheering for the home team, the fucking Cougs, you know.
So that's how it's.
That's it. Yeah.
All right, cool. Yeah, because I was like, I can't explain it. Like, what the hell is tailgate? But I remember it because I've been, you know,
Tailgate, and to sum it all up, it's just having a good time with your boys.
having a good time before we watch the football,
Yes.
right?
With your boys,
So we're
man.
gonna drunks, we're gonna drink a lot.
Cougs, baby.
We're gonna see the.
A few moments later.